investors! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in my previous uploaded video, we gave you a tour to the biggest one-bedroom unit loft with a size of 117 square meters here in Uptown Arts Residence. And in today's video, I will be giving you another one-bedroom unit loft na tour here in Uptown Arts Residence, but this time, it has a size of 86 square meters. So without further ado, let's get the tour started. So, welcome to this 86 square meters, one-bedroom unit loft with lanai here in Uptown Arts Residence. So, pagpasok ninyo, you will be having this digital lock set from the brand Philips. And then, you can see that you have a digital switches from the brand HDL wherein you can easily connect or control your lights or your aircon using your mobile phone. And upon entering, you will be greeted by your kitchen area. So in your kitchen area, we have already installed appliances here upon the actual turnover, all from top-of-the-line European brands. So for example, there's range hood and cooktop from Gourmet and Oraito. Even this vintage team refrigerator also. So, naka-included na siya upon the actual turnover. So here, kung mapapansin ninyo, we have plenty of area or spaces dito sa mga appliances nyo pa. Like for example, your microwave oven, you can put it here. So, naka-quartz countertop na rin kayo. You have your backsplash and pin lights. Tapos, we have here the box type sink with a retractable na faucet from the brand Frankie. And then by the way, as you can notice, we have plenty of storages here. We have up and down soft close kitchen cabinets from the brand Hacker, and then may naka-quartz countertop na rin kayo dito. Alright? And then by the way, guys, we have here the provision for your washer and dryer. So, ayan, naka-separate area na siya. So here, this is your audio-video intercom that will connect you to the front desk. So, that's for easy guests na makokontrol ninyo or makita ninyo yung bisita ninyo. You can see them, but they cannot see you inside your. So here, this is your living and dining area. So for example, you can put here your dining area. So it can fit here 4-seaters dining table with split type inverter aircon already included upon the actual turnover. So dito, for example, you can put here your couch or your sofa. You will be having here your center table. And then pwede dito nakalagay yung TV ninyo. Alright? And then before we go to the second floor or yung sleeping area ninyo, you have here your powder room which is already may nakalagay na siyang toilet with a bidet, mirror, and a lavatory sink. So, ayan. Pwede nyo itong magamit. For example, you have guests and gusto nilang gumamit ng common CR, so they can use this space. And then, after that space, meron tayo ditong lanai. Another open space for you because dito, pwede ninyo ma-maximize yung space. For example, you have like you want time with your family, pwede kayong mag-barbecue dito, mag-grill ng food. Ayan, so you can use this area. And then going on this, on the second floor or yung sleeping area ng mismong unit na to, ayan, ang ganda ng finishings ng stairs. So may glass na rin siya for added aesthetics. Ayan. So, napakataas ng ceiling ninyo dito. And by the way, you will be having a floor-to-ceiling glass window. So, mas ma-appreciate ninyo yung view from the outside. So here, this is your sleeping area. You can put here actually a king-size bed, but what we can recommend here is a queen-size bed, double to queen-size bed. Tapos, meron na kayong split-type inverter aircon from Daikin. So, pwedeng dito rin yung mini vanity area ninyo or your work desk. Tapos, pwede rin kayo maglagay ng TV if you want. Tapos, meron kayo ditong area. Ayan. Yan. So, naka-enclose talaga siya, pero meron pa kayo parang added feature na tong unit, this sliding door, para makita ninyo yung view from this area. And then, going on this side, this is like your mini walk-in closet. So here, meron kayong cabinets, sliding door cabinets with mirror already. Ayan. So, dito, pwede dito yung mga dress, yung mga pants ninyo. yan, pwede ka pa kayo maglagay ng other stuff below. Tapos dito naman yung mga naka-fold na damit. Yan, so may mga storage na rin tayo na nakalagay dito. Okay? Tapos, sa mismong bedroom ninyo, you will be having your ensuite na toilet and shower area. So dito, all of the sanitary fixtures are all from the brand Villeroy and Bock. So, kung mapapansin nyo, I always mention the brands because Uptown Arts Residence is designed to become a masterpiece development in Mega World. So, dito, floor to ceiling na rin yung tiles niya, yung finishing ng tiles. Tapos, you have your mirror, lavatory sink with faucet. You have your toilet with a bidet, a partial glass partition. Tapos, naka-complete shower set na tayo dito. So, meron na kayong hand shower, but upon the actual delivery, meron pa kayong rain shower. Okay? Tapos, yan, may mga sabitan na rin kayo dito ng towels. You have here an area for your tissue. So, basically, what you see in the toilet area is what you'll be getting upon the actual turnover. So that's it guys for today's quick tour here in the one-bedroom unit loft with Lanai here in Uptown Arts Residence. And again, the size of this unit is 86 square meters. And if you're interested to know about this unit, feel free to comment or to message me on my details below. And if you want to see this unit in person, we can schedule an actual unit viewing or a Zoom presentation. So again, this is Charisse Perez. Be guided with smart property investment here in Megaworld, and I'll see you in my next video.